How to clear Meitu App Cache. First of all, open your device settings and scroll down to find the Apps or Application Manager section. From the list of installed apps, locate and tap on the Meitu app. Once the app page opens, look for the Storage or Storage and Cache option and tap on it. Here you will see the option to clear cache. Tap on it to remove all temporary files stored by the app. This process will not delete your photos, edits, or account information. It only removes unnecessary files that may slow down the app. After clearing the cache, reopen Meitu to check that the app is running smoothly. You may notice faster loading times and improved responsiveness while editing photos, applying filters, or creating collages. Now you know how to clear Meitu App Cache. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.